So the Honolulu Harbor is the hub, if you will, of the state harbor system. 98% of all the goods and products that we consume here as a state and an island is imported right here at this facility and then distributed out to the neighbor islands from there. It is a vital, a critical facility in the whole state system, not only just our survival, but as a whole to the state is very dependent on Honolulu Harbor in general and the harbor system. There's a lot of different working parts here at Honolulu Harbor, and we're happy to be modernizing it and keeping its functions for the state to benefit from.